When it comes to magnet boards, no other company in the world does it quite like Plus. Plus Corporation is a company in Japan that has a lot of home kind of office supplies, lifestyle goods so to speak, pens, erasers, stacks of paper. They also make this, the Plus Kaite slate. This is a 13.3-inch battery-free note-taking pad. It comes with a pen, it comes with an eraser, and it comes with an all-new clean paper technology using micro-capsules and the whitest magnet board in the entire world. It also has an accompanying smartphone app so you can save your notes, and it doesn't have any batteries or electronics in it whatsoever. Pretty straightforward unboxing. This is amazing, and why this is amazing is because we haven't seen an updated Kaite slate in quite some time. These things have been very popular worldwide, and why I'll tell you right now out of the gates is why. Reason being, this has no batteries. There's no electronics, there's no batteries, there's no USB cable, there's no button cells you put in like a watch battery of any kind whatsoever. And why that's important is because there's a lot of markets in the world that don't accept lithium-ion batteries and get charged a higher taxation rate for those type of things. This has no such problem. This is not seen as DG, which is dangerous goods. This is simply a piece of plastic. And this is using an all-new technology called microcell capsules, which means that as you write on the page, it's essentially simulating what e-paper does with absolutely no electronics whatsoever. The background is as white as we've ever seen on any boogie board-esque device, and we say boogie board because that's the one that's kind of known worldwide, but they use a black surface and it's all kind of weird and purple and green and rainbow. This thing truly is black and white, and this all-new pen allows you for an extreme angle. We'll obviously do a full review when we get into the different video after the fact, but this is very nice because it has an eraser. It has an eraser on the back here as well, so you can use the pen, you can use the scrubber. It's completely up to you. After you wipe it away, it's completely clean. This thing is absolutely amazing. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Kaite 2S. This is the absolute closest you can get to e-paper and e-ink without going into an electronic device. There is no other device that will do quite like this. For GoodyReader.com and another unboxing, this is Peter.